Hey everyone, if you are interested in learning how I built this Python weather app from scratch, stick around. When I first started, I had no idea what I was doing. I had never tackled a project like this before, but that's what made it such a great learning experience. So let me walk you through my process. My first challenge was designing the user interface. I wanted something intuitive and visually appealing, but I didn't know where to start. After some research, I discovered the PyQt5 library. It's a fantastic tool for building UIs in Python, and while it took some time to learn, it was definitely worth it. PyQt5 offers a lot of flexibility, allowing you to create custom layouts and widgets that fit the need of your app. Once I got the hang of it, I was ready to start designing the app's layout. The next big task was adding an interactive globe. I wanted something that the user could spin and zoom into just like the Google map. Now, I didn't have the time or resources to build this feature from scratch, so I turned into an existing solution, CGM API. This API is perfect for adding 3D globes to applications, and it saved me a ton of development time. After integrating the CGM API, I could display a globe right inside my app. Here's how it looks. The next challenge was figuring out how to capture the coordinates when the user clicks on a specific area of the globe. This was important because these coordinates are what we will use to get weather information for that location. So how do we capture these coordinates and then pass them from the CGM globe, which runs in JavaScript, to our Python backend? I decided to use JavaScript to detect the clicks and retrieve the longitude and latitude. But then came another hurdle: how to send these values from JavaScript to Python. I found that Flask could be an option for this, but I wasn't ready to dive into learning Flask just yet. Instead, I opted for the request library in Python, which allowed me to set up a simple server that listens for incoming data. Here's how it works. When a user clicks on the globe, JavaScript captures the coordinate and sends them to Python server. This server is always running on a separate thread waiting to receive these values. This approach works well for smaller applications like this one, but keep in mind that for larger projects, Flask or another web framework might be more efficient. Now that I could capture and send the coordinates, the next step was to make them meaningful. Since we are building a weather app, we needed to convert these longitude and latitude values into human-readable location. For this, I used geocoding API that translates the coordinates into a location name. Once I had the location, it was time to fetch the weather data. I used a weather API that allows you to request weather information based on geographic coordinates. The data from this API is then displayed on the screen for the user in the appropriate panel. Finally, after connecting everything together, designing the UI, integrating the globe, handling the data transfer, and displaying the weather information, I had a fully functional weather app. It was a challenging but rewarding experience, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments what features would you add to this app. Thanks for watching.